Welcome to this lab system screencast. So this screencast is about managing files, for instance images of a lab. So here we have a lab, it's a BGP lab, and here we have different pages, and so we'll have a look at them. So here we have one page, and as you can see we have some files. So at the bottom you see there's a file that is in some directory, and we have some images. So those are local to this lab, and sometimes we want to replace things. So this could, for instance, be code, or we're just authoring a new lab and then we want to add new graphics, and to do so is very easy inside the system. So all these graphics and materials belong to the lab, so the place where you find them, their management, is directly in the lab. So we go to the L element we have here and press on this pen here to edit it, and so now it opens, and here we see the basic information of the lab, and down here we have all the files belonging to this lab. So as you can see, we have a directory for the pictures, and we have a directory for the material, and then we have a subdirectory which is named after the export-import unique ID here, and so this is exactly the place where the import happens. So if we import a lab, that is stored here, or if we create a new lab, then data will be stored here as well. So this directory here is taken from the ini file and is specified there, and the full directory is specified there. So the courses, pictures is specified there, and the unique ID comes from here. Okay, so what we have here is we have the possibility to add and remove files. So let's first add a file. So we just go here, choose something, open, and press on upload. And what you see is that the file was uploaded, so we can click on it, and then we can see it opens, and we can go back again. And okay, what else do we have here? So we see the size, and we see the file date, and if we upload the same file again, it will just be overwritten. So if you want to upload a new version of something, just choose the same name and it will be overwritten. Okay, so then we have these buttons, you know them already from up here. So here they're telling us the HTML code of a link to this element, and below here it's analog to this. So here we get the source code, HTML source code to embed this element. So we get the relative link here, and we also get the alt text set by the file name in this case. And for the non-image files, we get an href here, and the text between is the file name. So if we want to delete a file, we can just click on it, and then we can go to delete selected files, and as you see, it's deleted now. Okay, so managing files is very easy, as you can see, and it really makes fun adding and removing stuff and editing in the system. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the system, and have fun.